Welcome back to Brittany Olivia, and in today's video we are going to turn this into this. Okay guys, so the first thing I got was some white paint. I got this in chalk and it's Waverly paint and it is a matte finish. I got two, but you only need one if you have this size lamp. Only need one, you guys. And I also got some sponges, some paint sponges. You can use brushes, anything you want, you guys. And I also got some ribbon from Michael's, which I got out the Christmas section on sale, you guys. We are also going to need glue. I do suggest a heavy duty glue that's going to last, you guys. So what we're going to do first is we are going to paint our lamp white because we want the background of it to be white. I am going to do 2 coats of this to cover up that leopard print, you guys. And you also want to make sure you get the inside of the lamp where that leopard is. You want to make sure you get that rim part as well. So once again, I'm going to do 2 coats and I'll be back. So you guys, now my lamp is dry. So now I'm going to take my ribbon and I am going to put it at the top of the lamp and at the bottom of the lamp, you guys. And as you can see here, I'm cutting it so I can make sure I get it as straight as possible when it comes to fitting it towards the rim of the lamp. So now I decided to add jewels at the top of the rim where the lamp is. Y'all, these are leftover jewels that I used on a DIY mirror project. You can simply get these jewels from Walmart out the arts and crafts section. They're cheaper there, or you can get them from Michael's, which they are a little bit more expensive. So basically I'm going to put jewels at the top, at the bottom, and also I'm going to put jewels in the middle. So now I'm going to go ahead and put that ribbon at the bottom. As you can see, I added my jewels to the top, middle, and bottoms. Now I have this white space, which I did not like, you guys, so I ended up putting jewels in between the white space, you guys. It's all about being creative and making sure you get what you want, get your expectations. So I went on ahead and I filled that white space in, and I liked it a whole lot better. As you can see, I put jewels in the bottom of the rim and also on the top of the rim as well. And then next I am just going to go in and paint the black part of the lamp. I'm going to paint that white so that way it looks a whole lot better. I also did 2 coats on this and then went over it with my blow dryer so it will dry faster. After I finished painting the bottom of the lamp, I decided to put some jewels at the bottom as well, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.